stay there, buddy. He's coming.
Oh, one more present for Landon. Did Wrigley get his present? Oh, here's my other
Yeah, he did.
thing
Thank
I
you.
picked out. Oh, that's pretty. Almost got you one, then I didn't.
Landon, stay back here, please. Stay back. You have to wait and
They have
see.
Yonkers if you want to get one. Exchange yours and get whatever. Whoa! Is that for Landon?
It's a fire truck.
Landon, you got a Power Wheels.
Fire truck has the sirens and everything.
Oh my gosh. He knows what to do.
Threw the blow right off.
Kelly. Oh, you can put traps.
Whoa, this is cool. Look at this thing.
Dad, you're
This
gonna
off
step on
here.
Kelly's
Wait a minute.
stuff here.
Okay, now put your hand. Yeah, say hello. Push the button. Here, let me grab and show you. Push, squeeze this here. Wait a minute. This button. Say hello, Landon. Okay, the red button.
Other room to get out of their way.
Squeeze.
Figure it out.
How does it go, Grandpa?
There you go. You got it.
Whoa. Landon, what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah, you're welcome. The mirror's like folding it out even.
You got to push your foot on the foot
This
feet
is
over
pretty
here.
incredible.
No, that's reverse.
Whoa! Whoa!
Right, your foot off.
Wrigley, watch out, Wrigley, get out of there.
Yeah, put in reverse. Okay, now push. Whoa!
It works.
Whoa! My foot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Dad, you're stepping on stuff.
Oh God.
Did you know this trap in the video game you can change out your trap?
Is that awesome, Landon?
Pretty cool, right?
What do you think?
The other way, honey.
Okay,
Go
okay, we-
frontwards. Go frontwards. The other way.
Knows how. How do you turn it?
Turn.
I'll turn up the lights here.
Woo!
Here goes all the presents.
Maybe we should
Turn this way. Okay.
put this out in the driveway.
Oh, is it
Sorry.
clean?
Is the driveway clean?
Whoa!
That's what you do.
Is the driveway cleaned off?
All right.
Landon.